Hello students, today we are going to study about transportation in human. So the transport of various materials like food, oxygen and hormones, vitamins, minerals, these all take place in our body through blood. Blood transport the required material, and the system which is involved in this transportation is called as the blood circulatory system or simply circulatory system. This circulatory system consists of blood vessels which are thin pipes which carry the blood throughout our body, and the third component is the heart, which is the pump of our body, which pumps the blood through these blood vessels throughout our body. Blood, it consists of plasma, the fluid part in which various cells keep on floating, which are red blood cells, white blood cells and platelets. Next is the blood vessels. There are three types of blood vessels: arteries, veins and capillaries. Arteries, they are thick walled. Why they are thick walled? Because they carry the oxygenated blood which is pumped from the heart, and this blood is pumped at high pressure. So to withstand that high pressure, the arteries, they are thick and elastic. Now these arteries, they carry the oxygenated blood to various organs, and when it reaches the organ, it splits into or it divides into smaller and smaller vessels which are called as capillaries. They split into smaller and smaller vessels so that they can reach every individual cells, and these smaller vessels, they are very thin. They are just one cell thick, means there's the wall of these smaller vessels, they are made up of only one layer of cell. Now the body cells or the cells of organ present near these capillaries, they take up food and oxygen from the blood present in these capillaries and give out carbon dioxide to the blood inside these capillaries. So now there is no oxygen in the blood present in the capillaries. So now this blood is called deoxygenated blood, and this capillaries, they further join to form the narrow vessels that are called as veins. Now these veins, they have thin walled. They are not as thick as arteries, and they carry the deoxygenated blood. They are thin walled because the pressure of the blood drops down here. Now the blood is no more under high pressure. So these veins, they can withstand that pressure, and these veins, they carry this deoxygenated blood back to heart to be pumped into the lungs for the removal of carbon dioxide. So this is all about blood vessels. We will study about heart in the next class. Thank you.